2. Larry would have been in the 3, Brian in the 4, Sean in the 5, and John Bernard playing around. Okay. I got it.
Playing. No
All
playing
right,
here.
everybody on the horn in less than 5. So Landen in the lead, followed by Haas, Brian, and Sean O'Hara coming around the bend right now, checking in. Landen Lewis, 19.47, his fast lap. Haas Bullock, 19.77. Brian Lewis with a 20.32, and Sean O'Hara, 26.35. 5:20 remaining. But Brian on his son's tail, we'll see what happens. Landen dominating today, so we'll see if Dad can get any retribution, try to get the podium finish instead of his son. Haas Bullock in the 3, Sean O'Hara in the 4. $1:15 down, 4:45 remaining. Landen, Brian, Haas, and Sean. Landen running a 22.6 right now. Brian Lewis, 22.610. 2.2 seconds behind Landen. Haas, 21.604. 2.6 seconds behind Brian. And Sean, 9.4 seconds behind Haas. He's got a 19.605 right now. $1:50 now, 4:10 remaining.
Oh my God.
And there you have it. Brian takes the lead from his son. Landen drops to the 2. Haas to the 3. Sean to the 4. Brian running 21.611. Landen 0.4 of a second behind his father. Haas in the 3, 8.3 seconds behind Landen. Sean O'Hara in the 4, 8.5 seconds behind Haas.
Oh! Oh!
And Brian, oh, he's just losing it now. His son took care of that. He's going to take that lead back. There it is. Landen getting the commanding lead on his father now. Father gets caught up with the pipes again. Brian was only 3.4 seconds behind Landen. That's going to be a little bit farther now because he got caught on the pipes. Haas 5.3 seconds behind Brian. Battling for that number 2 spot is Sean O'Hara, 11.5 seconds behind Haas. And there you have it. Brian now 7.4 seconds behind Landen for that number 1 spot. Landen running strong, growing momentum in this. Getting farther away from his father. Haas 1.7 seconds behind Brian now. Sean O'Hara checking in 18.610 for his lap pace. Haas now 1.4 seconds behind Brian. And here's your race leader checking in, going over the double right now. Brian now 8.7 seconds behind the leader of Landen. Haas 2.3 seconds behind Brian. $4:10 now, 1:50 remaining. Haas catching up to Brian now. This might be the race to watch. Because Landen 5.2 seconds ahead of his father. So I think the race right now is going to be between the number 2 and the number 3 of Brian and Haas. Haas now 9/10 of a second behind Brian, so he's catching up to him. Oh, and they both make a mistake. So Haas is going to get a little bit more behind Brian. Landon checking in, going through the double right now. Brian coming through 6.9 seconds now behind his son. Haas in that 3 spot. 4.6 seconds behind Brian. And there you have it, 5 down, 1 remaining. .45 seconds left. Landon, Brian, 7.5 seconds behind his son. Haas, 4.6 seconds behind Brian, and Sean in the 4. Yeah, looks like Sean may have a turnbuckle issue. .20 seconds remaining. Haas up to the 2 now. Brian drops to the 3.
Oh no. I had my tires.
So let's see what Haas does in this 5 seconds. So this is our last lap. So we'll see how everybody fares. Oh, and it looks like Haas.
The race is over.
Over. Brian, you're done in the 2. Sean, you're done in the 4. Haas in the 3, and your race winner of the day, Landen Lewis, you are done. 19.611 for Landon. Brian comes back to get that number 2 spot, 18.601.
How's it feel to win?
18.608.
Awesome.
Good race, guys.
Number 2 right there.
Dad.